How to turn off notifications in TD Auto Finance app. First of all, open the Settings app on your Android device. Now scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications depending on your phone model. From the list of installed apps, find and select TD Auto Finance. Next, tap on Notifications. Here you will see different options to manage app alerts. To completely turn off notifications, toggle the switch next to Show Notifications to off. If you don't want to block them fully, you can also choose to keep notifications enabled but silence them. In the Alert section, select Allow Sound and Vibration and change it to silent. Once done, exit the settings. Notifications from the TD Auto Finance app will now be disabled or silenced based on your choice. Now you know how to turn off notifications in the TD Auto Finance app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.